Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the dividend compounding blueprint for long-term wealth and how consistent investing, dividend reinvestment, and patience can help build a stronger portfolio over time. First, set a clear wealth goal by deciding how much income you want to generate, how long you plan to invest, and how much risk you are comfortable taking. A specific goal helps you choose the right strategy and stay focused during market changes. Next, choose suitable dividend investments, such as quality dividend-paying stocks, exchange-traded funds, or diversified income funds. Look for investments supported by stable earnings, reliable cash flow, and a consistent history of paying dividends. After that, check important financial metrics before investing. Review the dividend yield, payout ratio, earnings growth, and dividend growth history. A very high yield may sometimes indicate higher risk, so it is important to examine the company's overall financial strength instead of focusing only on income. Then, start investing regularly by adding money monthly or quarterly. Consistent contributions allow you to purchase shares at different market prices and gradually increase the size of your portfolio. Once dividends are received, reinvest them instead of spending them. You can use a dividend reinvestment plan, also known as a DRIP, or manually use the dividend income to buy additional shares. This increases your share count without depending entirely on new personal contributions. As a result, the compounding cycle begins to work. More shares can produce more dividends, and those additional dividends can purchase even more shares. When this process continues for many years, both portfolio value and dividend income may grow faster. At the same time, diversify your investments across different companies, sectors, and industries. Diversification can reduce the impact of problems affecting one company or sector. Review your portfolio regularly, but avoid unnecessary trading based on short-term market movements. Most importantly, remain patient and think long-term. Time, discipline, regular investing, and dividend reinvestment are the main forces behind compounding. The longer the process continues, the greater the opportunity for the number of shares and future income to expand. For example, imagine starting with $10,000, earning an average dividend yield of 4%, reinvesting every dividend, and contributing an additional $200 each month. Over time, the combination of new contributions and reinvested dividends may help the portfolio and its income grow more efficiently. Therefore, remember the three main habits: invest consistently, reinvest dividends, and stay invested for the long term. This strategy does not guarantee profits, and all investments involve risk, so always research carefully and consider your personal financial situation. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.